Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to change your widget username. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log into your widget account, after which you click on your username. After that, you simply need to click on change username. So I'm going to change the username to something else. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on continue. Are you sure this will be your username forever? Yes. I'm going to click on save. And you know that you will never change your widget username again. Once you create your account and you change your widget username, you will never change it again. So I'm going to click on save username. So guys, we are just on changing our widget username. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching.